All right, I'm gonna go through the process of showing you how to sell your stock here in Cash App. Here in the bottom, right next to the $ to the right, you'll see this stock symbol. Click on it. And once you click on it, you see I have my investment. I have $2,600, but I'm invested in 3 different stocks: the Stanley Black & Decker, Uber, and Overstock. And I'm gonna sell my Uber because if you look at it, I've made $35. I started off with a $500 investment, and this is about day 4, day 5. So in 5 days, it made $34. So I'm gonna go ahead and sell that one. So you click on it, and you go right here where it says sell. Just hit that. I'm gonna sell it. So I'm gonna sell. It says sell Ubers available. I see it says 54, 130. So I'm gonna just do all. And I'm gonna hit next. And I haven't did this before, so I'm just walking you through my process. You enter your PIN. Right here, it walks you through. I'm gonna look at it and say, all right, approximately 28.02 shares. So you don't have a, if you look over here, it has a government fee of 2 cents, but you don't have any other kind of commission fees or anything. So it's that government fee. And even in my Fidelity, I don't have a commission fee, but you do have a government fee, and it's a small fee. So 2 cents, I made $35 in what, four business days. So I'm gonna hit confirm. There you go, done. I'm gonna hit done. So I'm gonna go back. So right now it's sold. So I'm gonna see how long it takes for it to be available. Oh, it's available right away. Amazing. Usually, with Fidelity, they got to go through the process. It usually take 3 business days, but this is available instantly. Wow. So since the money is available right away, I'm gonna see if I can cash it out. So here at the bottom left, it says $534. It's available. So I'm gonna hit cash out. So I'm gonna cash it out. And you can do it instantly to your bank. It's gonna charge you $8.02. But I notice if I do it like for tomorrow, standard, it gets there the next day. So it's no big deal. So I'm gonna do the standard. And it say it will be available in your bank tomorrow. And it's done. So zero it out. So that's all to it. All right, thank you and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.